great intention. We are committed to this philosophy that we shall, inshallah, implement this scheme in letter and spirit with our own resources, with investment from Turkey, from China, from Saudi Arabia, from Qatar, from UAE, from United States of America, from wherever. And we will ensure that we will create conducive environment, enabling environment, friendly environment. I want to assure you, please try to understand that past is past, and we are walking into the future with a sense of great understanding, learning our lesson from the past, and we'll move forward with this commitment that my investor is my master. And that's what I believe in, not from today, but from ages.